Alright, just want to do a quick walkthrough of what we're looking at here. So this is the video index spreadsheet that we've put together. We've got a few tools to look at. Obviously this is all sample data. We don't have any of the production data in here yet. I've used real-ish data, but this is just for us the purposes of our review. So the initial view that we get here is of one line per video with all of the facets for each video in line with that record. So we've got a clickable YouTube ID here. We've got the category it belongs in. I've only got 3 of them in here for the prototype. We've got the target here, ethnicity, number of people. I've bucketed it into this. We can change this so that it's more options or less. Same with age range, just for the purpose of the prototype. I've done this. The user description I've left as editable just for the sake of discussion. Probably we don't want to be editing the user description, so we would change this into just plain text. And then the notes, this would be an editable section where we can go ahead and change this whenever we need to. Then we've got the language toggle over here, English and French. This will be set by default, of course, when the user uploads. But if they've made a mistake, we can just change it here. So the idea here is that you have every video, and if we want to change this, we can go ahead and change any one of these that we need to. We can edit the whole thing, and that's it. So that's per video if we're looking at a full list. We've also added our filters here. So opening this will let us, and this isn't functional now, this is again a prototype, just so we're all on the same page with what our interface is. So these filters, we can say we just want arriving in Canada, young families, Caucasian, 2 to 3 people, so on and so on. This will filter down the whole list. I need to add a submit button right underneath here, but for the purposes of this, we've just gone ahead and put that there. So then we have close button that just closes that. So I think that's pretty clear on what all this is. We've got also download the XLS, so that will just let you download the entire dump as an actual Excel file. Or if you've already gone ahead and added some of your filters, when you download the XLS, you'll get only your filtered list. So pretty straightforward, I think. I think we've captured all the requirements. If not, we can revisit anything. And this is this is our alpha prototype, so it's meant for discussion. It's not meant to be a final anything. So have a look. I'll send the link through with this screencast. And yeah, next steps will be to have a quick discussion on what everybody likes and doesn't like about it. And then once we're all on the same page, we can go ahead and get started with the production version. Alrighty.